Viewers, welcome to Tobys. It's me, Mr. Abdullah. Today I gonna explain our new model T180 Pro, a new addition in Tobys LED. T180 Pro have some new features. We bring this one with the 4 Cooper LED, a new one in a market. We change the fan, we change the mode, and this is very easy to fix any car. Okay, without wasting any time, we open this T180 Pro and check the power and features. You can use this product without any hesitation regarding power. The light is very strong, 180 watt. If you're gonna buy this through online, you please visit Tobysouq.com, Amazon, Noon and Alibaba. Please visit Tobys outlet in Dera and Dagama.